over the past almost 2 years that we have collaborated within the Interfaces project, we have identified tools that are very essential for promoting the agenda and achieving the objectives of the BMBF funded projects. We are using the FARA Africa community platform called D Groups to connect stakeholders, and so Interfaces is able to connect with the over 40,000 AR4D stakeholders in the continent. Besides that, we have been using videos to promote certain innovations and technologies that are very important. Within the context of the Knowledge Management for Agriculture Development Agenda, the PhD students have used the non-academic style, but using knowledge management approaches to develop knowledge products that addresses issues of indigenous knowledge, issues of digitalization, issues of gender, and also looking at specific knowledge products that, like manuals and videos, that promotes issues of microdosing, integrated soil fertility management, and other crop modeling that we think that people need to understand and know how to use them easily.
I was part of this year, the Knowledge Management Challenge for Agricultural Development, and it was a really great experience for me. I had to know a lot about knowledge. For example, a key sentence that I have in mind is that make sure to deliver the right knowledge at the right people and also at the right time.
Our main topic is to promote microdosing in northern Ghana and northern Benin. And this is important because farmers are not able to buy fertilizer at the recommended rates. And those who can buy little, we are trying to make it more efficient for them to produce more food, for them to be food resilient.
As part of our work on dissemination and communication, knowledge sharing, we are in charge of bringing on board our different stakeholders around both countries we are working in Ghana and Benin. These stakeholders include local communities, farmers, civil society, policymakers, and the private sector. So we are trying to carry them along as we are conducting our different research and as we are developing our main innovation, which is the microdosing for the current project. The idea of the expectation is to make them sufficiently involved in the process so that at the end of the day, there will be, it will be easier for them to adopt the innovation. And this way also we are gathering what they are expecting exactly so that at the end of the day, the innovation will be in line with all their expectations.
Knowledge management is everywhere. You cannot separate science and knowledge, so you have to communicate knowledge to the right people at the right time and the right content. So knowledge management we introduced in this project, so we'll be able to do that. Especially in my case, I am communicating to farmers. I need to know how to communicate to the farmers in the right format and how to interact with them so they can also communicate back to me. Because in knowledge management, we believe in the power of exchange. Knowledge is not power. Sharing knowledge is power, and that's the motto that we have in knowledge management. Yeah.